Hydraway has been trusted for decades to keep crawl spaces dry and free of water. 2 rows of Hydraway side by side provide all the protection your home needs. Crawl spaces can be tight places and have many height restrictions associated with them. Therefore, this can interfere with work conditions. Thankfully, there's Hydraway, the easiest product to manipulate in these tight areas while still offering the industry's best inflow rate. Simply trench, install Hydraway, connect to your sump pit, and your water problems are solved. You can even reuse the spoils that occurred during excavating back around Hydraway. So if you're considering to have your water problems addressed in your crawl space, ask about Hydraway drainage systems for your home.